Once I was a soldier, I fought on foreign sands for you. Once I was a hunter, I brought home flesh meat for you. Once I was a lover, I searched behind your eyes for you. But soon there'll be another to tell you I was just a lie. But sometimes I wonder, just for a while, do you ever remember me? Though you have forgotten all of our rubbish dreams, I find myself searching through the ashes of our ruin for the days when we smiled and the hours they ran wild with the magic of your eyes, the silence of our words. But sometimes I wonder, just for a while, do you ever remember me? Do you ever remember me?
Hey guys, this is Maggie. I just made peppermint mocha cupcakes. Tune in next week to see Jasper making eggnog thumbprint cookies. Happy holidays!